We got a package today. Hello. Where's you? Hello. Say hi. We're gonna unbox it in a minute. I need to cover up the address so the internet doesn't see it. Yeah, hold up a minute. Du kannst filmen. Film einfach nicht das Paket weg der Adresse. Das kann man nicht so lesen. Okay. New gloves. We got... Was ist das? Ja, das ist für dich. We got a bag protector. Yep. We got chain tool because I need to change my chain, and shoelago. We got a cat. Hello. Peace out. Second box. Finde ich nicht Adresse. Hold on, Ta-da! We got a new suit. I hope it fits. We'll see in a minute. Oh yeah. Watch out. Jetzt hast du die Filme. So. Mein Spaß hat sie ja 11 Stück, wie auf 11 passt. Hallo. Nice. We got a set of gloves for the chopper. Yeah, for the Spiel. They fit nice. They look cool, right?
Yes.
Approved. Approved?
Approved.
Next thing, we got a set of new gloves by 5. They look very good. Here's the other one. I opted for red and white, or my girlfriend did, because of the suit, just to bring in some contrast with the white stuff. But they are amazing. Wow. Nice. Approved. The most important part of all of this is we got some Super Tech shoes in red, of course. Wow. They look amazing. What a fight. But we got the suit on, we got the shoes on, the gloves, and we are looking good. So, we got the Super Tech R vented shoes in red. We got the GP Tech V4 suit in red. The 5 gloves, I don't know what exact model they is, but they're red and white. I do like the fit. I like the hump in the back. I got a back protector this time. I didn't have one last year, so it's time for an upgrade. And yeah, other than that, the suit looks amazing. The red is vibrant. Y'all see me on the street. It's a good and a bad thing. Yeah, anyway, I'm tired and I'm sweating. It's hot, but we look hot. Hallo, willst du was sagen?
Kannst nicht Foodie zeigen, hallo. Miau. Booty hole.
Hallo. Moet jullie filmen? We gaan nog verder fijn. Ja?